lots of people and generating foreign exchange. Take a look at this report.
India is considered one of the largest exporters of gems and jewellery. The gems and jewellery sector plays a significant role in the Indian economy, contributing around 6 to 7% of the country's GDP. The overall gross exports of gems and jewellery in April 2016 stood at $3.23 billion. India's export of fashion, jewellery and accessories in financial year 15-16 was to the tune of 2,755 crore rupees. Let's listen to the views of people who have been working in the sector for a long time now.
I mean, there's a lot of scope where jewelry is concerned because as compared to garments, this is everything is handmade here. So employment wise also, and because China is going down, so there's a huge scope for India to come up in this sector.
At present, the gem and jewelry sector is being impacted. Any government assistance when it comes, especially towards manufacturers who themselves are developing arts and promoting India worldwide, any assistance from the government would be much appreciated.
Due to shortage of skilled manpower, the Gems and Jewellery Skill Council of India is planning to train over 4 million people till 2022. Indian Institute of Gems and Jewellery, Mumbai has come up with a 3-year graduate program in jewellery design and manufacturing techniques. Gems and Jewellery Export Promotion Council of India has also proposed to develop a jewellery park on Thane-Belapur Road, which is around 5 km from Mumbai.
Well, India's gems and jewellery sector is the fastest growing sector in the country. The sector is known for master craftsmanship. Also, the sector is labour intensive and a major contributor to India's foreign exchange reserves. With camera person Anand Prakash, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.
And we're heading for a short commercial break. More news and updates when we return.